Hi, I'm Carly. Thanks for stopping by. I would like to show you today how you can make a quick and easy chain link. Something like, so you can make something like this. Okay, this is what I have made. I use this to make curtain tie backs, drapery tie backs if you prefer. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is made of 10 large beads and 6 jump rings. There are 5 jump rings around, 1 in the middle, and 10 beads in the center to make the flower. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And we will need 10, we're going to need 10 beads. So the 10 beads are, 5 of the beads are already weaved onto one jump ring, and another 2 onto another jump ring, which leaves 3, which is a total of 10. Okay, then we have our 4 jump rings left over. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we've strung on 2 beads onto an open jump ring. One with the 5 we've left closed, and this open one we have 2 beads. We're going to string it on any one of the 5 beads on this jump ring. Okay, so we're going to string it on just like this. All our jump rings will have 3 beads attached to them. That's how you'll know that you're doing it right. Okay, so after we've done that, we are going to close the jump ring. I'm using a bent nose and a flat nose pliers to do this. Then I notice I have 3 beads left and 4 jump rings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take another open jump ring and I am going to place another bead onto it, and I'm going to weave it into the bead that is free. There's one here that of the 2 that we just put on. We're going to place it onto the free bead, and then we are going to get another one, and we're going to close it. So we have 3 now. Notice that there's 3 beads here and 3 beads here. Okay, we have 2 beads left and 3 jump rings. We are going to take up another open jump ring and hook it onto this bead, and then we are going to, remember, we're going to leave this one open. This would be the last bead. This was the jump ring with 2 beads on it, and we're going to leave that one available for the very last jump ring. Okay, so we're going to attach another one here like that, and then we're going to take another one from the 5 beads that were here on the first jump ring, hook it on, and then we're going to close it, and then we're going to continue on. Okay, we still have this one that's going to be our last one. Okay, we've saved that for the last one, so kind of keep an eye on that one. And then we're going to take another jump ring, so we have 2 jump rings left and 1 bead. Okay, so we're going to take 1 jump ring and hook it on to the last bead. I'll get it hooked on there. I'm having trouble, so I use my hands. Okay, and then I'm going to take the one that I just put on, and I'm going to hook it onto one of the other 5 of the first ring, and then we are going to close it. And then we only have 1 jump ring left. So that means that we need 3 beads. So we've got to be 3 beads left here to attach them all to. We're going to hook it onto this one, carry it over to here, and then hook it onto the very last one, which is actually the first bead that we are hooked onto earlier on, and we're going to close it. And there you have it. Okay, that's our flower right there. This is what you could make from it and attach them in any way you want. Okay, and just like this. And just attach them. You can use fish hooks or whatever you want to complete your tie back. And there you have it. That's our quick and easy, not even 1 minute. Doesn't even take you 1 minute. Once you get the hang of it, it's so quick and easy. All right? Okay, so thanks for watching. Have fun.